Josh Duggar sexually assaulted underage girl while she sat on his lap and he read her Bible stories, trial hears. The former Counting On star has pleaded not guilty to 2 child pornography counts. The 33-year-old's friend Bobye Holt testified and shared with the court some of Josh's admissions to her about his past molestation scandal. Court documents obtained by The Sun detailed how, one evening after her husband, Jim Holt, fell asleep, Mrs. Holt testified that the defendant made the shocking, graphic confession involving the Bible reading. The docs also noted that Mrs. Holt then explained that on March 30, 2003, the Holts joined the defendant and his parents in his parents' bedroom, where he allegedly told Mrs. Holt that he had inappropriately touched Jane Doe for 4 years. It continued, Mrs. Holt explained that he said he was telling her his because he was courting her daughter and that their relationship would have to end as a result of his conduct. The father of 7's estranged sister Jill and his brother Jedediah will be testifying as witnesses at his trial. However, it is not clear at the moment if it will be for the prosecution or the defense. Josh was arrested in April 2021 on child pornography charges in what was said to be the worst of the worst that authorities had ever seen. Homeland Security Special Agent Gerald Faulkner said in May that downloads made from a specific file were in the top 5 of the worst that I've ever had to examine. In 2015, Jim Bob had told police that he had confessed to touching underage girls, including Jill and his sister Jessa, in the family home between 2002 and 2003. According to a 2006 police report, which Arkansas police later destroyed, Jim Bob first told cops in 2002 that he had molested young victims while they were asleep in the Duggar family home. This was something for a young man to come forward, he said, calling it a juvenile record and a sealed case. Jim Bob reportedly said to Judge Timothy L. Brooks, "I'm not going to allow it, are you going to allow for that? If there is an objection to be made, someone will make it, but it won't be you," the judge replied. Josh admitted the molestation in a statement at the time on his Facebook page. However, he never faced charges. The ex-reality star and his wife, Anna, were seen arriving at the courthouse today while holding hands as the couple said nothing upon entering the building. Anna, 33, wore a black dress and a mask as she stayed close to Josh, who kept it low-key in a suit and tie. However, fans were quick to display their shock and anger at Anna's support of Josh, despite the charges against him. The trial has already seen plenty of controversy as a juror was excused immediately after the judge learned of his relationship to the defendant. The juror, whose name is not known, revealed, "I know Josh Duggar, I'm related to him. The marriage of my daughter to his brother." A source told The Sun the judge was shocked and said the juror should have been filtered out. Josh faces up to 20 years in prison if found guilty.